The order of the planets in the solar system. Join me, and together, let us explore our solar system, and let us identify the names of the planet. For more educational videos and online tutorials, please visit our website at www.selfquiz.org. Please do not forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. The Sun is the only star in our solar system. It is the center of our solar system, and its gravity holds the solar system together. Everything in our solar system revolves around it. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and the closest to the Sun. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the Sun's planets. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. As the brightest natural object in Earth's night sky after the Moon, Venus can cast shadows and can be visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. The next is our planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun at a distance of about 93 million miles. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war, and is often referred to as the Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, and the largest in the solar system. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. Next, Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known solar planet from the Sun. Thank you for watching, and we hope we feed you good information. Please do not forget to support our channel by subscribing and sharing our educational videos and tutorials. For more educational videos and online tutorials, please visit our website at www.selfquiz.org. Please do not forget to follow and subscribe to our channel.